Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving question 91 to 95 of the AKWA Pre-Vocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2016. Subscribe to this channel. This would enable you to get more videos that would help you in preparation for your exams. Also, like and comment on this video. Thank you. Okay, so the first question, question 91, says, dash is not an employment opportunity in agriculture. A, teaching. B, produce processing. C, road construction. D, farm management. Okay, so which of the following options is correct? So, teaching is an employment opportunity in agriculture. I am employed as a teacher, right? So teaching is an employment opportunity in agriculture. Okay, produce processing is also an employment opportunity in agriculture. The processing of wood into paper, for example, okay, that's an employment opportunity in agriculture. Farm management is also an employment opportunity in agriculture, but road construction is not an employment opportunity in agriculture. Yes, road construction is an employment opportunity, but not in agriculture. It has nothing to do with agriculture. So road construction is not an employment opportunity in agriculture. Teaching, produce processing, farm management are all examples of employment opportunities in agriculture, but road construction is not an employment opportunity in agriculture. So the correct option is option C. Check. Question 92. Subsistence farming includes the following except A. Shifting cultivation. C. Crop rotation. C. Commercial farming. D. Mixed farming. Okay, so agriculture is divided into two main types: subsistence and commercial agriculture. So subsistence agriculture is the practice of growing crops and raising livestock sufficiently only for one's use without any surplus for trade. Okay, so there is no surplus for trade or export in subsistence farming. Okay, so subsistence farming includes shifting cultivation, crop rotation, and mixed farming. Shifting cultivation is a system of cultivation in which a plot of land is cleared and cultivated for a short period of time, then abandoned and allowed to revert to producing its normal vegetation while the cultivator moves to another plot of land. Okay, what about crop rotation? Crop rotation is a process of growing different crops in succession on a piece of land in a specific period of time without impairing the soil fertility. Crop rotation helps to control weeds, pests, and diseases. It prevents soil erosion. It encourages soil microbial activity. So crop rotation is a practice in subsistence farming as well. Mixed farming is also practiced in subsistence farming. It is a type of farming which involves the growing of crops and the raising of livestock. Okay, so but subsistence farming does not include commercial farming. Remember, I told you that the two main types of agriculture or the two main types of farming are subsistence farming and commercial farming, right? So they are opposites. Commercial farming is the growing of crops and rearing of animals on a large scale for widespread distribution, export, and particularly for profitable reasons. But in subsistence farming, there is no surplus for trade. There is no surplus for widespread distribution. There is no surplus for export. Subsistence farming is only carried out for the farmer and his family. Okay, so subsistence farming does not include commercial farming. So the correct option is option C, commercial farming. Check. Question 93. The soil dash best describes the soil particle sizes. A. Profile. B. Air. C. Water. D. Texture. Okay, so the particles that make up soil are categorized into three groups by size: sand, silt, and clay. So these are all the particles that make up the soil. The sand particles are the largest and the clay particles are the smallest. Most soils are a combination of the three, that is the combination of clay, silt, and sand. Okay, the relative percentages of sand, silt, and clay are what gives soil its texture. So soil texture describes the relative proportion of sand, silt, or clay-sized particles in a soil. So the correct option here is texture, option D. The soil texture best describes the soil particle sizes. So the correct option here is option D. Check. Question 94. The percentage volume of water in a soil composition is dash. A 25, B 35, C 45, D 50. Okay. So first of all, what are the basic components of soil? The basic components of soil are minerals, organic matter, water, and air. So the typical soil consists of approximately 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 25% water, and 25% air. You can see it here. 45% mineral matter, 5% organic matter, 25% air, and 25% water. So these percentages are only generalizations at best. In reality, soil is very complex and dynamic. The composition of the soil can fluctuate on a daily basis, so it might not always be this way. It can fluctuate depending on numerous factors such as water supply, cultivation practices, and or soil type. So when there is high rainfall now, it's likely that the soil water will increase, right? When there is no rainfall, the soil water will reduce. So it's not always like this. Soil contains approximately 25% of water. Okay, so the correct option is option A, 25. Check. Now to the final question in this video, question 95. The farm structure, which is cylindrical in shape and made of metal or aluminium materials, is dash. A. Rhombus, B. Cribs, C. Silo, D. Van. Okay, so silo is a tall structure like a tower. It is cylindrical in shape. Can you see it is cylindrical in shape? And it is made up of metal or steel, where some farm produce such as grains are stored. So this is a farm structure where grains are stored. Okay, and it is cylindrical and it is made up of metal or aluminium materials. Rhombus, ribs, and barn are not cylindrical in shape and they are not made of metal or aluminium materials. Okay, so silo is the correct option here. The farm structure, which is cylindrical in shape and made of metal or aluminium materials, is silo. So the correct option is option C. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel. This would enable you to get more videos like this that would help you in preparation for your exams. Till I come your way next time. Bye.